what is Pega Cosmos design system. So basically, first we will see what is a design system. A design system is a builder toolkit which consists of a shared library of UX patterns comprised of components so that we can speed up the design and development, we can produce better business outcomes, we can provide a consistent user experience across the service cases and across our applications. A design system has the following information like UI elements, styles, patterns, themes, brand values, UX mindset, shared ways of working. So coming to the Pega Cosmos design system, it allows you to build applications quickly and keep the applications easy to upgrade for future releases. The Pega Cosmos design system provides a complete prescribed presentation layer. It's basically a presentation layer that includes information architecture, interactions, accessibility, data visualizations, everything out of the box. So you can just, you are ready to use them. It is a complete UX toolkit that meets the needs of large organizations that have case management application use cases. It is applicable for multiple organizations, be it a loan application, mortgage application, insurance application, license application, healthcare application, or financial services industry, credit card, debit, smart disputes application, or whatever it is. It best suits multiple industries, multiple flavors. So if you see, this is a sample Cosmos design system. So if you see on the left side, there is a mobile shaped bar. This left side mobile shaped screen shows a great deal of information. You can view most of it, all the required information, which sets you the current context. As per a survey, it showed that many users first see the left side when viewing from left to right, and also they will see from the top most side. Their instinct will be like that. So in the Cosmos design system, you have everything in such a fashion so that everything is at a glance. You can get the full information by just looking at a glance. This is the Pega Cosmos full page anatomy. Without scrolling, you can see get the entire context. You can grab the entire details. This area provides the 360 degrees view of the customer. Just above this panel, you have all the work list tasks assigned to you. This is the utilities area wherein you can provide contextual information to help the users work through the case. Whatever attachments, files, followers you have here. This is the global navigation. The far left navigation contains elements in the global navigation components. So earlier they used to have a fixed sticky header, but now that is replaced by a global navigation on the left. Like we can use more efficient way of organizing the things by using this left panel navigation. And this is the mobile shaped summary panel. The size and shape are purposefully made equivalent to a mobile device. The placement of the summary panel ensures that users can view most critical information of the record in the upper left of the screen. To get the full context, this is the Pega Cosmos design page anatomy. This is how a Pega application looks. With just single stretch, you can know all the information.